Hey folks, welcome to Crowd 2. We're super excited about this theme coming out. I know that a lot of you have been waiting for it, so finally here it is. And in this video, we just want to show you what the back end will look like, just so you kind of know what you're getting yourself into whenever setting up Crowd 2. And I do want to let you know that this theme is a lot easier to use than Crowd 1 or some of the other themes that we have out there, just because of the new backend that we've designed and some of the additional features that we've added. So let's dive right into the backend and the options that we have. So we'll start off by looking into our pages. So whenever you're creating a new page, the process is pretty standard. You go to Pages, click on Add New, add in your title, and from here on things go a little bit differently. Instead of having your page templates located on the right hand side, we moved everything over to the following section. So over here we have a number of pre-designed templates. However, these templates are not hard-coded. Alright, so what this means is, let's say you want to build out your About page, for example. You click on About Type A, and you do a quick view first. You have a look at what this template looks like. If you do not like it, go ahead and click on About Type B. And once again, you have a quick preview of this template. If you decide that you like this template, go ahead and click on Apply Template and Confirm. Okay, so once you've clicked on Confirm, the template will be applied to your page. However, as you can see, everything here is now separated into specific blocks of content. We have our top section, then we have our links, then we have grids, then we have another text block, another text block, image block, and so forth. So what this means for you as a user is it gives you the flexibility to actually move all of these blocks around into any order that you require. What you can also do is delete blocks if that's also necessary, and you can then also make edits to the block. So you click on the following edit button, and we have all of the options for that specific block located within the section. So as you can see, we can make color adjustments, we can play around with the width. We have either the default width or the full width. You then add your images, add your titles, make all of the adjustments for the fonts, add in your text. So all of that content related to this specific block is essentially added and edited within this specific block only. We then have another tab that's called Margins. You can make adjustments for the top, bottom margins on desktop and on mobile devices. And then Miscellaneous, this just has several other features of enabling or disabling certain blocks on mobile desktop devices, and for more advanced users, you can make some adjustments or add some CSS coding to these sections as well. So this is one of the key features that we have within all of our templates. An additional option to all of this flexibility, we've also added the option of adding additional blocks. So let's say you like the About Type B. There are certain blocks that you've deleted, but then there are certain blocks that you may want to add based on the amount of content that you have for the About page. So you go ahead, click on Add Block, and here's a number of blocks for you to choose from. So you select the most appropriate block that will work in your case, and simply select it. It'll be added right above your footer, so it does not go under the footer, because that logically makes sense. And then the following block can just be dragged to the top or in between blocks. Wherever you want to place it, you can drag it and make edits to that block as well. Okay, so once everything has been customized and finalized, go ahead and click on Publish. So in a sense, all of the templates that we offer, these are not hard-coded. These are just pre-designed options that you can still edit. Okay, and the exact same process with templates and customizing would apply to your galleries. We have the option of creating custom galleries as well. So if you enable this option, click on Custom Layout, you can also add additional blocks of content to a gallery, and also the exact same process applies to your blog post. As you can see, I'm in my blog post section. Click on Add New. You add all of your content here, but then if you want to add an additional section, click on Use Custom Layout for this post and add a block that is required. Once again, you have a large list of blocks to choose from. You can add blocks to your blog post as well. Okay, and I'm sure that you've checked out our demo. As you've seen within our demo, we have gallery type A, which is a pretty standard gallery, and then we have gallery type A but advanced. This is basically us using gallery type A. However, we've done some additional building out. As you can see, we've added an image at the top. We've then added some additional blocks of content here. So in a nutshell, this is probably the biggest and most important feature that we've added within Crowd 2, should I say, and it does provide a lot more flexibility in terms of all of the content, in terms of how you build out your pages, how you customize your header, your footer as well. So all of this content can all be shifted and moved around if that's required. Okay, so I hope everything makes sense. This gives you an idea of what the back end looks like, and thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you around soon in our next videos where we talk about Crowd in more detail and the settings that we have within it. Alright, so thanks again, and I'll see you later.